You can read fault codes. He'll give you freeze frame data, the status of the code, and you have health and component. CB6, coolant temperature sensor. This is the part that's causing the fault. You can see where you can find it. Fluids, tightening torques, everything in here. So the filter regen is going to give you an explanation of what is about to happen. We'll always have this intro, so to say. Next step is going to be the initial conditions that you must meet before you proceed to the next step. And as you can see, the next process will start. The engine has to be idle for this to work. Now it's checking. Keep in mind that I'm connected to nothing. It's a demo kit, so it's going to take me faster. It's going to move a lot quicker. Usually it takes around 60 minutes up to 240 minutes to do this filter regen. As you can see, he's processing it. Now we can move forward. Once you're here, as again as stated, initial conditions you must meet before you start. Once they're met, let's move forward and let's follow through what's going on. So you can view it in a diagram. I'll let you see what's going on. Okay, it's already moving. Okay, it's moving a little bit faster, but you can view it also like this, so you'll have a full overview of what's actually happening. As I mentioned, filter regen is done. You're out of limp mode, no need to worry about it. And this is the full overview of what actually happened. You basically test out that the cylinders turn on and off properly. In this case, it's a 6-cylinder. Again, initial conditions. Explanation. Initial conditions is on next step. And now we have a manual or automatic process. You can select which one of these you want. And yeah, simply it's doing a full cutout. Just measuring engine speed as well. Cylinder 6 at this moment. Cylinder 4, cylinder 3 turning it on and off. It's working its way up. And let's just let it finish. There it is. You will see that the engine starts to wobble. It will be different, but you will also have a full overview of what happened. You have monitor of live sensors or live data selection. What it's gonna do now, it's gonna scan for all the sensors you have on your engine. You can monitor them, you can follow them through, you can see how they react in certain aspects. If the equipment is working or not, if it's idle. It's separated by groups. On this side you will have live data selection. Now I can select all, and once I open them, it's gonna keep showing me all of this. Now we have 71 pages, so I'm not gonna go through all of them, but you get the picture of what's actually going on. As you can see, it's pretty deep coverage, pretty extensive. Caterpillar equipment, Cummins, what else do we have? John Deere's, Kubota, Bobcats, FPT engines. You can connect to literally anything. And it all falls down under one license off-highway. Just going to show you a system display. System display will have fuel system. You'll see the full overlay of it.
If you have any questions, just get in touch with us here at Mechnician. You can reach us at 888-624-2240 or www.mechnician.com. Thank you very much.